injections. And here you see that something is self-assembled that we call microchips, because we have done studies that these microchips are actually emitting what's called a MAC address phenomenon.
Tell us what the flashing dots are in the background.
This what's called nano and micro robots that are communicating with each other via light signal, and they are collaborating to self-assemble these larger structures that are microchips. And so this is in the realm of self-assembling nanotechnology. Here you see a micro robot emitting blue light. Here's another one. This background swarming is what I've seen in the human blood, and I will show you later images of that. They did analysis of COVID-19 injection and found 54 undeclared chemical elements, including fluorescent graphene oxide. And I have documented the fluorescence phenomena in the blood and with this technology extensively.
These are green.
Yes.
So you can't artificial intelligence or live longer, or the list goes on and on. And part of that was to inject or to transfect through water, food, air, biochip, chipping, not the actual what is called smart dust that can organize itself when it's activated. It's called Teslaphoresis. When it's activated, to assemble itself into a receiver and a transmitter. And that's what you're seeing here to the right. What you're seeing is a hydrogel. You can see the fluorescence of that green area outside in the blood. The crystals out here. You're seeing an actual biochip. And just to show you the reality of this,
Yes.
so you can't artificial intelligent these types of pictures. These are live pictures
Right.
of live blood, and you can actually see that the technology has been transfected. In this case, it was done by inoculation. And so these are fluorescents. You see the energy coming off this, and they're powered by the energy of the cell, particularly the hemoglobin of the red blood cell. That's why it damages blood, because it's pulling life force energy from another source to power itself. And these are assembled, they're self-assembled. And I published this paper, finally it was published, peer review 2022, on the major ingredients that were non-disclosed. And the major ingredient was the graphene ferric oxide. And also there was aluminum there. I found over 21 different ingredients. In fact, it was confirmed by other scientists who wrote this paper. They found 55 undeclared chemical elements.